This video session is designed to explain to faculty how to create an assignment and send out the assignment to their classes so that they can grade it. Once you log into TK20, you need to go to your courses and select the courses tab. And the first thing you want to do is make sure that you have all the assessment tools that you need to complete the assignment. So at the bottom, under Reports, you click on Assessment Tools. This takes you to the library of assessment tools that we have already created for all of our courses. So every one of them is listed. They're done in alphabetical order and listed by course. So for example, in this course, I want to go to Education 5053. This is a rough draft rubric that I want to use for this course. I check the box next to it and tell it to make it available to me. This takes it out of the library and puts it in my courses where I can use it. Once I'm done with that, and at this point you can also select any other assignments or any other assessments that you need as well. You then go to Assignment and Project Template Builder under My Templates. I want to create a new assignment to send to my students. So under this, I hit Create. I want to give this assignment a name. You can include any instructions that you want to, but you do not have to do this part. The only thing that is required at this step is a project name. At this point, you need to choose whether you want to make this a public template or a private template. If this is a template that many people may use later on, or that there's other people in a different section of the same course, you can make that public. Once that template is made, it's available for anybody to use. Next thing you know is that you need to do is to include any standards. As long as there are standards attached to the rubric, we don't need to worry about doing this. If you want to go ahead and do this, you simply click on the standards, and it gives you a list of all the standards we have available to us. And it's a simple point and click any ones that you want. Once you're done choosing the ones you want, you can add those. I'm not going to do that at this point though. If you're not adding standards, the next thing you do is hit Next. You go back and pick the assessment tool that you're using for this one assignment. As you can see, all of these assessment tools are available to me. Once they're available, they're always available. After checking the box next to the assessment tool that I want, I hit Next. I can review this, make sure that the template is active. When it's active, that means that you can send it out. I hit Save. Now at this point, all that I've done is create an assignment. The next thing I want to do is send the assignment. So under Coursework and Assignments, I want to send this assignment out. It will give you a list of the courses that you're teaching right now. If it's not there, you can use the Select More Courses option to go find the course that you're teaching, but the one for your course should be here. So you check the box next to the course you want to send it to. Remember, all your courses may show up, so be sure you're selecting the right one. You hit Next. All the templates that you've already made, if you've made them before, will be sitting here. So for example, this is the template that I just made. It's an important point to remember, because once you make a template, that template is always there. You're just sending it out to a new course. So therefore you don't have to make a new template every time that you teach a course. For example, it's the same assignment for the same course, you're just changing when you're sending it. You don't have to make a new template. You hit Next. If there's somebody else that's going to be grading that, you can add the assessor to it. Your name should be here. You then need to send the assignment. Give it a name. Select when that assignment is due. And this box gives you the option of sending an email to the student's home email address. That's up to you as to whether or not you want to do that. That will send an email message to the email address that they use to set up their account. Once you decide whether or not you want to do that, you hit send, and the assignment is gone.